The significance of sustainable design. Interior designers delve into the significance of sustainable design, understanding the critical role they play in environmental conservation and resource management. They recognize that sustainability isn't just a trend, it's a responsible approach to design that minimizes the impact on the planet. Sustainable materials. Designers explore various sustainable materials used in furniture design. These materials often include reclaimed wood, bamboo, recycled metal, and certified sustainable timber. They understand the environmental benefits of choosing materials with minimal environmental impact. Recycling and upcycling. Interior designers learn about recycling and upcycling practices in furniture design. They discover how materials and furniture components can be repurposed and transformed into new, functional pieces, reducing waste and conserving resources. Eco-friendly finishes. Designers examine eco-friendly finishes and treatments for furniture, which reduce the use of harmful chemicals and minimize indoor air pollution. They consider options like low VOC, volatile organic compounds, finishes and water-based stains to protect both the environment and human health. Energy-efficient production. Interior designers explore the concept of energy-efficient furniture production. They understand the importance of using energy-efficient manufacturing processes, reducing carbon emissions, and optimizing resource usage in furniture production. Design for disassembly. Designers learn about the principles of design for disassembly, which involves creating furniture that can be easily taken apart for repair or recycling at the end of its life cycle. This approach extends the life of products and reduces waste. Practical applications. Designers apply their knowledge of sustainable furniture design to their projects. They make environmentally conscious choices in material selection, production processes, and finishes, creating interiors that not only look good but also align with eco-friendly principles. By prioritizing sustainability, they contribute to a more environmentally responsible and resilient future. By mastering sustainable furniture design, interior designers not only create beautiful and functional interiors but also make a positive impact on the environment. They lead the way in sustainable practices, promoting responsible design choices that benefit both clients and the planet.